Show I always stopped at the episode because it was so sad.
It's so sad that you stopped.
Yeah. I couldn't bear to watch it anymore.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty. Today I'm here at Occidental College, where I'm going to ask some of these academics a few questions about Grey's Anatomy in honor of the new season. What is your name and where are you from?
I'm Clara. I'm from Seattle, Washington.
I'm Chris. I'm from Boulder, Colorado.
My name is Autumn, and I'm from Chicago.
I'm Gianna. I'm from the Bay Area.
I'm Liliana. I'm from Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Let me ask you if you guys are a fan of Grey's Anatomy by any chance.
But I've only been up to season 11.
Which Grey is the lead character of the show? Is it A, Meredith, B, Lexi, or C, Ellis?
Meredith.
A, Meredith.
A, Meredith, B, boom. Okay, hey, 1 for 1. Meredith Grey is the lead character, played by Ellen Pompeo. Ellis is her famous mom, and Lexi is her younger sister. For 1.
I knew that one.
Okay, now we started off easy, we get a little tougher. Grey's Anatomy is about to start its 19th season.
Yep.
But how many of the original cast are still on the show? A, 1, B, 3, or C, 5?
Wow. Okay, so can I give spoilers? Because I have to. Okay. So Derek is dead. I think Alex is gone. Izzy is gone. Who's here? Ellen? Meredith is still here. Damn.
So it's not 1, so it's 3 or 5.
Wait, no.
Okay.
Meredith is still here. Who else is still here? I don't know. Damn.
3.
3.
3.
2 for 2, you are correct. That was just a guess?
Yeah.
Yes, you are right. It is Meredith Grey, Miranda Bailey, and Richard Webber. Those are the 3 characters to have lasted all 19 seasons. This is our final question, health question, sponsored by Dherbs. Derek Shepherd, McDreamy, is I guess what the kids call him, was the main love interest in the show and one of its key characters until his death from a car crash and poor medical care afterwards. What medical procedure could have saved Derek Shepherd's life? Is it A, abdominal surgery? That's a no. B, MRI. Or C, head CT?
I'm going to go with head CT.
Head CT.
You are correct. Oh, got him. You got him. 3 for 3. You are correct.
That was the show I always stopped at the episode because it was so sad.
It's so sad that you stopped.
Yeah. I couldn't bear to watch it anymore.
You nailed it. Shepherd was losing significant blood, but the doctors only focused on his torso and took him in for surgery to look for blood there. They should have checked for his brain for blood with a head CT scan, since it doesn't matter if you save the organs but lose the brain. It's very true. Here you go, a little cash prize courtesy of Dherbs. Cash prize for you here. There. Oh, yeah. Well done. Here's your cash prize.
Hi, my name is Autumn,
And I'm Liliana.
and we just beat the Street Smart Challenge.
Thank you, dear. Hi, I'm Clara, and I just won the Street Marks Challenge. Thank you to Dherbs.
I'm Chris,
I'm Gianna.
and we just beat the Street Smarts Challenge from Dherbs.
Woo!
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.